The Meross MTS215B Matter Smart Wi-Fi Thermostat is designed for homeowners who want smarter, more energy-efficient heating management without sacrificing simplicity or compatibility. Supporting both boiler systems and water underfloor heating, this thermostat is a modern upgrade that blends intuitive controls, cross-platform smart home integration, and meaningful energy-saving features. Inside the box, the Meross MTS215B provides a smart Wi-Fi thermostat, user manual, wiring sticker, external temperature sensor, and 4 screws, all neatly arranged in compact, practical packaging, with the sleek glass panel thermostat instantly standing out as a modern and elegant highlight once unboxed. The packaging is compact and practical, ensuring all components are neatly organized. The thermostat itself immediately stands out with its sleek, minimalist glass panel design, which looks elegant and modern once installed. The thermostat has a clean, square aesthetic with touch-sensitive controls. Its glossy glass surface not only enhances durability, but also blends seamlessly into modern interiors. The embedded wall installation makes it look like a natural extension of your home, rather than an add-on device. A bright, adjustable display ensures visibility in different lighting conditions, and brightness levels can be customized directly in the Meross app. The Meross MTS215B Matter Smart Wi-Fi Thermostat strikes an excellent balance between design, functionality, and affordability. It is an ideal choice for homeowners who want seamless smart home integration, energy savings, and intuitive control without the complexity of professional-only setups. If you're upgrading your heating system controls and want a thermostat that's future-ready, stylish, and practical, the Meross MTS215B is one of the best value options available in 2025.